Some really quick and easy tips and tricks to fix your hair and stop it from sticking out. Hi guys, so how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now this one is more of that sort of back to basics content I've been doing a lot of recently, kind of stripping everything back and looking at the foundations of grooming. In this one we're talking about hair, obviously, and about hair that just doesn't want to go flat. It sticks out, it's got bits maybe in the crown or maybe on the sides, just hair that doesn't do what it's told. Now, if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hi, I'm Robin. This is Man from Self. This is also like a song. Please do press subscribe right now. When I did my barber course last year, yes, I still will be doing something like that, but stay tuned, honestly. I really got to know sort of different hair types. When guys sat in the chair, I sort of was able to feel their hair, feel the texture, see how it sat. And guys with Asian hair, you'll know that your hair tends to be a lot more coarse, it tends to stick out, and it requires length in order to be put down. So you either have to have it really short or slightly longer. And the same goes for other sort of hair types. Afro-Caribbean hair will grow slightly differently. You know, it's coarser again. The way it grows will be more like a curl. Guys with curly hair, me with straight fine hair, get to know what your hair does and what it doesn't do. Now the second thing is about the haircut that you get. Again, talking about those sort of hair lengths, if you're going through the in-between phase, especially growing out the sides, then you are gonna find that it's gonna stick out. So really, the best way is to either keep that super short or slightly longer. Growing it out, you've gotta go with it. When you wake up in the morning, you've got bed head. Really, some hair is sticking down, some hair is sticking up. Because of the friction of your head against the pillow, you've really made the hair stand on edge. So wash your hair before you style it. Even just with water, it'll help to reset whatever's happening there. If you've got those bits sticking up, just washing it will allow you to just start afresh again. And I would say, you know, using a conditioner will help to smooth the hair, and it will also, or should do, lock in the moisture, which will make it easier for styling. Now, next we're into drying. Now, you can dry naturally, so just take off the excess moisture with a towel, and then with your hands, a comb or a brush, just start to put your hair into the way that you want it to go for the day. And as it dries, it will set like that. And with the drying naturally and also drying with a hairdryer, you can use a pre-styler. Now, I'm a big preacher of pre-stylers. That could be my new YouTube channel. I'm a big preacher of pre-stylers. I love them, and you know, they really do different things, some to thicken, some to smooth, some to add curl. So I'd really say to use ones for smoothing. And you'll find that sort of creamier based pre-stylers are best for this. Just get them into slightly damp hair, then let it dry naturally, or you can be getting it in a hairdryer. Now, heat works in so many different ways in your hair. One, it can help to sort of activate the product you're doing. The second thing that you should really be using it for is to help direct the hair. So when the hair is warm, the cuticle opens, and it also helps to allow you to manipulate the hair, so really sort of change the shape of it. It's at this point, again, that you can get your hands, a comb or a brush in, use the heat onto that, and help to sort of smooth the hair out, really focusing on any of those areas that you have the bits that stick out. And after that, you are styling it. And I would say, you know, use a product that you can get control on, use a product that's gonna help to give you hold. And so I would say really use something slightly heavier, like a clay. Just warm it up, get it into the hair, and start to work in any texture, any definition. And again, focus on those little bits that are gonna be sticking out just to help them smooth and stay flat against the head. And finally, hairsprays can be a godsend for hair that sticks out. You can put a mist onto your hand and just brush over the top. That can take those bits that are sticking out, as long as you've done the steps before, and place them against the other hair or the head. And then just finish with a blast of hairspray all over to fix that style in place. The products I featured, also these techniques, are on manfromself.com, a full blog article. Also the product pages, I know so many of you go onto those, which makes me really happy. And I know also some of you given your own ratings on products and uploaded your own pictures. So if you've not been there yet, give it a go. Cards are up there, check it out, give me your feedback. I will change it up depending on how you want it. But thank you again. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then press subscribe. The button is just there. So some more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to my blog, it's there. Instagram, come and follow me, it's up there in the cards, plus some more links up there. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.